Hello friends, today I am showing you how to convert a, a point data to a Excel file according to polygon data. So first of all, I open points data from my folder. So here is my point data. So this is my point data in my country Bangladesh. So these are so many point data. I just show you in here almost 672 points in there, and in here I want to clusterize this data according to my desired polygon. So I just convert it my desired shape file, which I just open here. This is the district shape file. This is district shape file. In here the district number is 46, sorry, 64 district is here in this shape file. In here this shape file, I just convert or clusterize this point data according to this 64 districts or 64 polygons. That means I just cluster this data to like this district or this polygon wise. According to, I scattered this whole 600 points, convert it to clusterize to 64 polygons. So I now go to, so first of all I want to go to analysis tool, then overlay tool, then go to special join. In here I want to go and to select my points data, then I just select my district shape file. When in here the many polygons are around 64 polygons are there, and I just click join to one to many, and I just select my path for saving my data. So I just click OK and waiting for the processing all of data. So my data is ready. So I just show you how to handle all of this data. In here this is the points around 672 points, and all are classified based on district wise data. So here is the name of this data. This is the district name. So data set is already prepared. So I also want to this shape file to a Excel file. So I just go to search tool, and in here I just search the Excel converting tool, or otherwise I go to Excel. So it is table to Excel. In here I just select this point and I just select the folder path. So I save it and click OK. So my file is prepared already. So my Excel file is ready. So I now show you. Here is my Excel file. And I show you this points data will clustered according to district or according to polygon. And in here you can show the point is showing according to their polygon. So here is my Excel file. In here I just show you this is polygon or district name according to point wise value. So this is my data set, and thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Hopefully new videos are uploaded this channel, and if you need any special video or according to different types of topic, please share your thought and share your idea. I will help with my best. Thank you.